We are back for part number last. I grinded up 3 multis. I just give me it, please. I'm just gonna hop in with that. Part number last. I hopped in, so this is gonna be the last part. I can't keep on using stones. I just can't. 2, chain 3, God, okay. You know what? I'm fine with God. Like, I'm okay with getting Super Saiyan God if I know that I'm not gonna get, like a guaranteed unit. So, ooh, I could use that for my Universe 16 because that's what I've been using. I have been using, Universe 16. Probably gonna get rid of hit so I could hop in that cauliflower. Okay, please, come on, just give me an alarm. I know that I already pulled one off camera, and that was my fault. Okay, that's a pair. Give me that quick. No, okay, that is a pair. Ooh, we are being very laggy. Let me plug in my. Oh, dang it! Why? Why? Come on. Oh, why is Dokkan being laggy now? Please, just one of these be an LR. I'm begging. Vitel, Krillin, Kefla. I don't need Kefla. LR. No! Stop! Alright. Need to put Alexa with a capital A. Like this. I can't spell. I still can't spell. Oh my god. Then we're gonna crack the code. Have a high, please. Just do it. The ultimate form. 1, 2, 3. My screen was responding for some reason, and let's go into it. Alexa, play Hype Dokkan music now. Vegeta showed up. Yes! Oh, thank you. Alright. You're going to be my second LR. Please don't give me Bojack. I'll take Kale and Caulifla. I want Kale and Caulifla. I want Kale and Caulifla. I want Kale and Caulifla if it's not going to be UI Goku. Who's it going to be? Okay, Shugesh. The boy. The legend. Please. Is this one? The next one. Go! Oh. I mean, he's good. I'll take it. I can't complain. I got my second LR. At least I pulled an LR on camera? I don't know. Yeah, that's a thing. Well, I'm done. I'm done. I can't summon on this anymore. Can't afford it. I need to make sure that I have stones to grind for the 5-year anniversary. This is the mayor, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.